If you're an Android developer with an existing Android project, and you'd like to make use of the Qt Quick View Android class to add Qt Quick content to your Android app as a view, then you've come to the right place. This guide has everything you need to get started by using the Qt Tools for Android Studio plugin, available for free from the IntelliJ Marketplace. In this video, we'll cover installing Qt Dependencies, installing the plugin, creating a new Android project with QML, importing an existing Qt QML project, and building and running the examples on a target.
Download and install Qt requirements.
So first, if you haven't got one yet, create yourself a new Qt account. Once you've done that, head to your Qt account webpage and log in. Then go to Downloads and select the online installer for your particular host operating system. We're doing Windows today. Then run the online installer. Put your username and password in. Press Next. Decide whether you can help us with anonymous feedback or not. Press Next. Select Custom Install. Then open Qt. Open the version of Qt that you're installing. Scroll down to Android. Add any add-ons you want. Then scroll up to Design Studio and deselect that if it's not required. Scroll down to Design Development Tools. Deselect Qt Creator as it's not required. Press Next. Agree. Next. Next, and then go make yourself a cup of coffee. The other option is to clone, build, and install Qt yourself. It's a method that should only be used by developers who are working with unreleased or modified Qt builds. It does take a significant amount of effort and won't be covered here. See the Qt for Android building from source page for how to do that, link below. Install the Android Studio plugin. The plugin is installed like any other IntelliJ plugin. Head to the plugin's IntelliJ Marketplace page, link below, and follow the instructions there on how to download and install via a jar file. You can also, of course, install it from right within Android Studio. Go to Settings, Plugins, Marketplace, search for Qt, select Install, click OK and Apply. Then make sure you can see the QML project in your Android project tree. Creating a new Qt project. Okay, so open your existing Android Studio project. Go to Main Menu, File, New, down to New Qt Project. Give your QML project a name. Then give it a project location. In this case, I'm just going to use D. Select your Qt installation that you're using. That's C Qt 6.8.0 for the version I'm using, and then select your minimum Qt version. My build.gradle is in Groovy, so I'm going to copy that Groovy snippet to the clipboard. Then I open that build.gradle for my app module, paste the snippet in. We need to manipulate this a bit, so I'm going to take the plugin there and put it in the plugins. The Qt build block is ready to go, and then we're going to take the JNI packaging option, which is a requirement of the Quick View API, which we're using in this. That needs to be inside the Android block. Then we press sync, and we should see the QML project appear in the tree on the left with some ready-made files for the project. Okay, here we're going to go through importing an existing Qt project.
So this is pretty much exactly the same as a new project with a few less steps. Let's go to New, down to Import Qt project this time. Select your Qt location. Again, this is going to be Qt 6.8.0 for us. And then open the folder that contains your QML project. I'm going to open the Qt Quick View example that ships with Qt 6.8.0. So I'm opening that folder there. Press OK. Press OK. Now we're presented with the same type of snippet. So again, this Android project has a Groovy build.gradle file. So I'm copying the Groovy snippet. And this step is exactly the same as before. We just copy and paste. And when that's done, we'll press sync and we'll see the Qt Quick View QML project in our Android project tree in the left panel. This time with the files from the project.
Compiling and deploying to the target device or emulator. Okay, let's open the example Android Studio project that ships with Qt. You can find them in your Qt folder as shown here. Open that. To compile and deploy, select Run. This will build the Qt project and the Android project and run them. And there you have it. Running on an Android emulator. Click buttons and they impact the different areas of the code. Sliders, sound effects, you name it. Thanks for watching. A written version of this guide is available on docs.qt.io. That and all other links mentioned in this video are given below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. And as always, looking forward to seeing the future you're writing with Qt.